The lighter side reveals a subtle illumination, allowing the addition of a gentle pink hue.
For mass it will be pink, as it were.
Report what?
Sunlight.
Scattered in the sky. Sunlight is certainly not pink. Except the sunset.
But what would he do?
But since it has orange in it, it means there is some hint of pink 100, in this case pink. It will tell you that the source of light, there's a presence here, and it truly fills the space. The sky of this warmth spreads softly and broadly. Light. Accordingly, it is slightly lighter in tone than this piece, yet perfectly delicate. You can go in with the same pink shade, adding just a subtle touch of it. Drive away. Distributing. Observe how the light gently emerged from beneath the cloud's edge. It softly lingers just below the cloud, carefully balanced. If you don't have royal blue, it would be fine. He altered the ultramarine, muting it beyond its original depth and character. This one is royal blue. And now I'll take this darkness a little bit out of here and come out here a little bit. And here's a stretch from a lighter one with a rose ribbon. The dark dove leaves. Blue officer again. Pink again. Mountains. There the mountains sit with a hat on. Sailboats over on sails. This design is not quite ideal, so we will creatively reimagine these mountains for an improved aesthetic. We have. The ship's towering mast will prominently rise above the sea. Rock. However, there's an elevated section near the center.
Where?
Here. One of the palms either touches or comes very close to reaching the center. And it goes up. The other individual eventually joined her for the occasion. It concerns her. And along a certain diagonal they leave. Up here, about. This is our approximation. Designated. Nevertheless, the predominant colors remain black and pink. It's evident that this palm tree is migrating elsewhere. To the left, it seems destined to perish along an alternate path, and there's a small finger placed elsewhere nearby. Composition. The kernels of the palm tree are considered exceptionally beneficial. Saving. Approximate proportionality. We have already kind of figured out the proportionality of these pieces. Now we have the opportunity to search for the boat, and by discovering its location, we might finally uncover the elusive horizon line we've been seeking. Let us thoroughly search for these distinct stones. Boat. Pink black again. The boat is located in a precarious position where it is likely to run aground if not handled carefully.
I suggest you move back a little bit.
The boat of the ship.
Sails of warm color.
Let's take our warm color. Let's start dialing. 1 stain.
2 stain.
3 spot. Our ship has subtly shifted away from the precise central position where it was previously situated. The reference is adjusted contrary to the expected direction, leading to a gradual deviation aimed at distancing it from the shoreline. Window. I was eager to express my feelings and intentions. Portion lit up in the central segment of the linkage. He wants to touch. It approaches the middle but doesn't exactly reach it, with a somewhat conditional central point nearby. Somewhere around here, right? Doesn't get to this one until the middle. Segment brightened in the center section.
Medium.
Sails. Behind him is 2. With already progressing downward along the path traced. Behind him, this sail. Lastly, just a fragment of this discussion. Pohrochka. Let's incorporate vibrant green and earthy yellow hues. Emerald plus yellow. And we lie down. Illumination.
We will add the railing with yellow.
Let's arrange ample lighting to illuminate this particular section.
Us.
Let's take the blue color and create a fascinating composition. Just a little bit straight away.
More for fun.
Smashing through, here lies these intriguingly shadowy areas.
Let's cover these shady spots with a vibrant tone while blending the green pathway slightly for added effect.
Appropriate here.
Such combinations like lilac, deep purple, and intertwined green spread across harmoniously
became appropriate. Shadow.
Shadow.
As I gently mousse the shadowed parts, they gradually develop a textured roughness and transform uniquely. The right tone and color. the invoice that was laid down.
The texture of the paint helps create a rocky mood under this. Smash the pink one.
Plus a little bruising. Again. Loose laying, by the way, let me elaborate. I don't deal with liquefaction. The paint dries as it is straight from the tube, and that's final, so there's no need for liquefaction here. Now tell me, who among you prefers liquefied paint? Restrain yourself. Yellow. Cadmium. The roots appear to have a distinctly yellow coloration.
Red shows signs of extensive bleaching.
Is there a possibility of a monk visiting or being on this island?
It's smashed. Royal blue.
But the foam is in the shade, so it turns blue.
So friends, everything's fine, but at this point I must apologize, as only the stone remains unyielding.
Unresolved.
Stone.
It is either reflected.
Continues, outlined by frothy waves that shimmer and dance.
So traditional.
The entrance.
All my friends, we write a picture like this for health. We learn everything and mountains. And the sky with clouds. And coastal with the sea.
We all have almost an entire course here.
Dear friends, I am overjoyed to announce that you can visit Igor Sakharov's Kuru for enriching experiences and connections.
Receive your first 10 foundational steps as an aspiring artist. Within this journey, gain insights into the vibrant spectrum of primary colors and their artistic wonders.
Minimal.
Portions provided clearly so that you avoid any confusion.
This palette, often deemed stingy, invites exploration of additional essential materials.
And with some perspective. Consider the beauty of landscapes, towering mountains, vibrant flowers, and heartfelt portraits. In fact, you can explore 10 items, possibly even more. Including can you receive thoughtful feedback via interactions with my knowledgeable assistants.
Through the guidance of my daughters, Sashenka and Mashenka, and leveraging your own office, I cordially extend an invitation to acquire and utilize this innovative tool for personal growth and development.
To the Artists Club.